सेंसिबल स्मार्ट सोबर सेंसिटिव सिंगल सेक्सी साइकेट्रिस्ट सिकंदर से सलाम, नमस्ते, कोम्बावा, bonsoir and good evening. Today our topic is what is NLP? NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, is in fact the handbook of how to achieve what you want. It is the study of personal excellence and modeling behaviors which create higher standards beyond people's normal limitations. It provides some of the quickest and most effective techniques to create leadership excellence and can play an important part in your personal development and growth. NLP can help you recognize what you want to change in yourself and provides tools for you to form better programs and responses that help you change your own and others' behavior. Neuro linguistic programming has been called the art and science of personal excellence, the study of the structure of subjective experience. Now, what is subjective experience? For example, when I look at you, I am the subject and you are the object. It helps understand the difference between what we do that produces mediocre results or failure and what we do that brings about success or excellence. It addresses questions like how do I do what I do well? How could I do it better? How can I acquire the skills I admire in others? Significantly, NLP is not confined to external observable behavior, but it includes the way we think, the mental processes that control all our experience and achievements. It deals with the whole structure of human experience. In effect, what makes people tick, attempting to model the thought processes, feelings, and beliefs that result in any behavior. Especially, it is about communication with yourself as well as others. Now let us look at the meaning of NLP. NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. Neuro is our nervous system. It refers to our thinking, our perception, the brain processes which form the basis of any behavior. Specifically, it refers to the neurological processes of sensing which are seeing, hearing, feeling, tasting, and smelling. Linguistic. Linguistic refers to the language patterns, how we represent information to us, which affect our understanding and upon which much of communication is based. It is hard to imagine conscious thought without language. How often do we have conversation with ourselves or give ourselves advice? Programming. Programming refers to the way we can organize and program our thoughts, including feelings and beliefs, to bring about desired changes in behavior and outcome. Outcome is a word we use in NLP for goals. It is same as we program a computer for specific tasks with appropriate software. NLP is about understanding the structure of your own excellence. It is a handbook on the structure of excellence. NLP is not about what to do, it is about how to do. NLP tells us if you can achieve excellence in one area of your life, you can replicate that success in other areas of your success or in other areas of your life. For example, If you are not a confident public speaker, you don't have enough confidence while addressing a big audience, yet you are very confident in your marriage ceremony, for example, or in your birthday party, or at any other occasion, through the powerful tools of NLP, you can bring that confidence into you while delivering a speech or making a business presentation. This was about what is NLP. Thank you.